of Pragnanz.
Let's talk about the law of Pragnanz in UX design while making me a balloon axe. Let's go. Let's start by making the axe first. Alright, we're getting started with the blade of the axe. Now we're making the handle of the blade. And that's it. That is our balloon axe. Alright, I've removed the axe now. My question to you is, did you believe that it was an axe? Did you actually? Did you truly trust the feeling that that was an actual axe? Did you see the blade? Did you see the handle? Did you see its working parts? I'm going to let you think. What just happened was a chief example of the law of Pragnanz. The axe that I made was really weird and it wasn't an axe at all. Like, I'm quite disappointed as a person who makes balloon art. That was just a weird excuse of an axe which kind of looked like a butterfly, but it also kind of looked like a messed up moth, but it kind of looked like a weird tree gone wrong, and it was everything but it was an axe. Like, it just didn't look like an axe to me at all. And I say that because I've seen other people make a bunch of balloon axes, and I say that from a lot of experience. But if you fell in the trap of my evil scheme, and if you believe that it was an axe, congratulations, you fell prey to the law of Pragnanz, which states that people will take and perceive ambiguous or rough looking objects as their simplest, most understandable form possible, simply because it is the explanation that requires us to do the least cognitive effort. When I told you it was going to be an axe, your brain automatically started looking for the pattern of an axe and stopped questioning whether this was a messed up moth or a butterfly or just something that went wrong, simply because it was just really easy to hear from me, this is going to be an axe, accept it and start looking for the pattern that looks like an axe, as opposed to be questioning whether it is an axe at all. Believing me in this moment, starting to look for those patterns, even if what I made was a complicated structure, was the prime example of the law of Pragnanz in action, which is what happens to all of your users on the internet. Your users will always look at your complicated rough images and structures and take the most simplest explanation for it possible and take that to be the correct interpretation, no matter what complexity you make, because humans are wired to look for patterns and elements that require us to do the least cognitively while giving us the most satisfying explanation. And you can use this as a UX designer by providing simple hints and cues, getting the user to look at a simple shape, a simple explanation of a weird, complex, messed up, rough structure on your UIs. It's a hidden principle that works across UX design no matter where you go looking, and I've just seen this so many times overwhelmingly in the last couple of days that it just seemed like the perfect topic to talk about.